It's never too early to start your Christmas sewing. And this July, I thought I'd make a start. This little table runner was made from a really easy idea that actually I took from one of my favourite books, Fat Quarter Baby. This Hannah pattern really appealed to me, but the sizing is all wrong to do with these pre-designed squares. So that's what I thought I'd share with you today. So you can make lots of these. You could make a table runner. I've got the 3 all facing the same direction. I've got 2 red and 1 green. But if you wanted a table runner, you could have this one facing this end of the table, and Santa could come facing me. You can make little individual cushions.